Yeah, now we are going to see the greedy technique. Okay, yeah, we are going to see what is greedy technique. Okay, yeah, this greedy technique. Okay, see, greedy technique is in the second unit. Okay, yeah, now see what is greedy technique. Okay, actually we have discussed what is divide and conquer, everything and all. Okay, yeah, say now we are going to see the another one thing, that is new technique. It is called greedy technique. Okay, let's see what is greedy technique and all. Okay, yeah, see what is greedy technique. Okay, for what purpose we are going this greedy technique and all, let's see. Okay, yeah, see, greedy technique is nothing but it is a greedy technique designed to achieve the optimal solution for a problem. Okay, optimal solution means nothing but that is the best solution. Okay, yeah, that's called optimal solutions. Okay, yeah, greedy technique is mostly the for what reason they design means it is designed to achieve optimal solution for a particular problem. Okay, for any problem. Okay, for example, if we use for the bubbles art, okay, insertions art, or any other thing, linked list. Okay, for a linked list means for example bubbles art means how we can solve that one. Okay, there are so many solutions is there, so many method is there for solving the for arranging the bubble sort. Okay, in which method is the best solution? Okay, there is only one best solution is there, no more for any problem. Okay, ஒரே ஒரு solution மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். Best solution ன்னு பார்த்தா only one solution is there. That is what here they are trying to say. Okay, from this greedy technique we can achieve the optimal solution for a particular problem. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, see, in greedy technique decisions are made from the given solution domain. Okay, from the given solution domain. Okay, decisions means nothing but the conditions. Okay, decisions are made from the given solution domain. For what region? Okay, for example bubble sort means, and in that space based on the input we are we are deciding the solutions. Okay, how many movements the bubble sort will be solved, like that. Okay, the same thing here, decisions are made from the given solution domain. Okay, that is the greedy technique. Okay, yeah, next point, see, most of the problem in greedy technique contains n number of inputs. Okay, and our objective. Okay, see, most of the problem in greedy technique contains n number of inputs. Okay, when n is nothing but number of inputs. Okay, for example, I am giving 100 element in the list. For example, there is a 100 element in the list means there is up to n 100. Okay, I am going to solve. Okay, that's the thing here. Saying most of the problems are the n number of inputs. We don't know the exact input of the particular problem. Okay, that is why they mention here n number of inputs. Okay, and see the objective. Okay, our objective is finding a subset. Okay, which will satisfy our condition or constraint. Okay, that is nothing but our is finding a subset. Okay, subset means yeah, consider max problem. Okay, yeah, in max sets there is separate unit is there in I think 10th standard also is there. Okay, in algebra chapter, in that set is separate chapter is there. Okay, in that see how this how we call the set and subset means Venn diagram and all you will draw, no, the based on the set and subset. That's the thing here. Okay, is finding a subset which will satisfy our condition or constraint. Okay, that is called a feasible solution. Okay, see, is finding a subset which will satisfy our condition or constraint is called a feasible solution. Feasible solution. Okay, see here there is a two solution is there. First we discussed about optimal solution, that is the best solution. Okay, yeah, see here feasible solutions. Okay, now you can ask me what is feasible, what is optimal. Okay, now see, feasible solutions, there is a method for solving a particular problem. Bubble solve, for example, yeah, consider one problem. I'm coming from see, for traveling. Okay, I'm going to travel Bangalore to Chennai. Okay, in what way? Okay, there is so many routes are there for reaching from Bangalore to Chennai. There is so many routes are there. Okay, yeah, consider Shiradi also. Okay, yeah, Bangalore to Chennai means how we can how you can travel, either by train or bus or like that. So many routes are there. In bus means the separate route is there, train the separate station is there. Okay, like that the solution is same. Okay, our solution is we want to solve the particular problem. Okay, but different method, different thing. Okay, that is what here. Okay, yeah, see again one more time, greedy technique is designed to achieve an optimal solution, that is nothing but it is the best solutions for a problem, particular problem. And then see, it is based on the number of inputs, and then its objective is finding a subset which will satisfy our condition. Condition means nothing but the certain what is it, a certain condition or criteria. Okay, we are setting for a particular problem, no, that's the thing. Okay, yeah, now see, we are required, yeah, fourth point, we are required here feasible solutions that either maximize or minimize to a given objective function. Okay, this is what little bit confusion. See here, we are required a feasible solution that must be that solution. How the solution must be being, see here, maximize, either it will be a maximum one or a minimum one based on our objective. Okay, your objective means our thing. Okay, yeah, either maximum or minimum. Okay, it depends upon the problem. Okay, yeah, see, a feasible solution that is that does this called an optimal solutions. Okay, yeah, next see, there is an usually obvious way to determine, there is usually obvious way to determine a feasible solution but not necessary in optimal solutions. Okay, yeah, it is necessary to, there is it is necessary to find feasible solutions for a problem or problem, but not it is mandatory to find an optimal solution. That's the thing they are mentioning here. Okay, and now see, yeah, let's with from one example you clear the entire concept, I think so. See, yeah, city, city A to city B. That means consider I'm traveling from Chennai to Shiradi. Okay, yeah, consider that like that. Okay, in Chennai to Shiradi, how there are so many routes are there. Okay, whether you can go for the flight from Chennai to Hyderabad. Okay, and then you can go for the Hyderabad to Pune. There is one method is there. Otherwise, in direct flight you can go the Chennai to Shiradi like that. Okay, that is another one method. Okay, otherwise you can go for Chennai to Bangalore, and then you can go for the Pune like that. There is some method is there. Okay, but these are the routes. Okay, see the same thing here also. Okay, see, from I'm traveling city A to city B. Okay, see, either I can, for example, here city A means Bangalore to Erode, Bangalore to or Chennai to Shiradi. Okay, I can go from Chennai to Shiradi either car or bike or train or flight. Okay, this is different ways. Different ways to reach my goal. Okay, that is a city, from city A to city B. Okay, the condition here is how minimum time it's required to reach the particular city. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, see here, feasible and optimal is nothing but all the solutions. Okay, for example, there is one solution is there. See here, from city A to city B, I'm with the help of a car I can reach the city B. That is one feasible solution. See, bike. Okay, from city B to city A I can go for with the help of bike I can reach city B. That is one feasible solution. And see, train, that is one feasible solution, and flight, that is also one feasible solution. See here, one problem, for a problem there are so many feasible solutions are there, that way. Okay, but the optimal solution is nothing but which one is best. Okay, which one is best, that is called we call it as optimal solution. There is only one optimal solution, there is one best solution is there for every problem. Okay, so which one is, see here, car, bike, train, flight, anyone can be used for the traveling from city A to city B. Okay, but which one is better, which one is minimum, it takes minimum time to reach that one place, city A to city B. Okay, for example, Chennai to Shiradi means which one is best, either car, bike, train, flight. If you use car means it takes nearly 1 week. Okay, bike it takes a month, but train it takes 2 days. Okay, but flight within half an hour you can reach from Chennai to Shiradi. Okay, so flight is the best solution. Okay, Yeah, that is the optimal solution. Only one solution is there for every problem. Okay, that is what I hear. And then C, this is what the greedy technique. Okay, the greedy technique goal is to find an optimal solution, that is feasible solution. Okay, C. Applications. Okay, there are so many applications. There are so many applications are there. Okay, see, there are so many applications are there. See, knapsack, fractional problem, and Huffman coding, and job sequencing with deadline, minimum spanning tree, and Kruskal and algorithm, Prim's algorithm, single source shortest path algorithm, Dijikistra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford, the activity selection problem. Okay, these are the applications of greedy technique. Okay, well, it's nothing but in your syllabus all the methods are there, all applications or all the applications we will discuss in upcoming units. Okay, see, knapsack, fractional problem, Huffman coding, job sequencing in deadline, it's nothing but job sequencing. We are going to frame a particular sequence for your jobs. Okay, read, write, and for read, write, and operations and all, you are setting some deadline like that. Okay, minimum spanning tree completely based on minimum weights. Okay, how long it takes, minimum, based on the minimum weights it's and all solved with Driscoll and Prince and all. And single source shortest path, Dijikistra's and Bellman-Ford algorithm is there. It is based on actually it is based on maximum positive, negative, and non-negative weights. Okay, this one is very important for gate questions and all, they will ask like this. Okay, whether the Dijikistra's algorithm is negative or non-negative weights, it will accept a negative or non-negative weights, like that they will ask. Okay, so this is are the applications of these are the applications of greedy technique. Okay, yeah, once again we will see. Okay, greedy technique. Okay, greedy technique is designed a solution for a problem. Okay, nothing but we are going to find from the greedy technique, we are going to find a solutions. Okay, in what way, whether it is a feasible or optimal, that's the main thing. Okay, optimal is best solutions, and feasible for a problem there are several methods are there for finding a solutions. Each method we will find one solution. No, that is called a feasible solutions. Okay, yeah, for a problem we have more than one feasible solutions, but optimal solution is only one solution is there for a problem. Okay, for a particular problem. Okay, that's the thing of greedy technique. Okay.